Hello everyone, this is Neha Chauhan, founder and CEO Aerobay. Today I attended this wonderful event happening at RNCHA International School, Juhu. The event name was Scientia. It's a very unique event, not just your typical science exhibition, but the whole ideology behind the event was Viksit Bharat. Our respected principal Payal ma'am, gave our student a freedom to think about whatever ideas they could bring which could associate with the Viksit Bharat. What is your ideology of Viksit Bharat? It could be the water filtration system, how we are cleaning our Ganga, or the whole event and Sangam is happening in Prayagraj, how do we keep our river clean? Or it could be anything related to astronauts where we can have human life settled outside of our orbital system, or it could be anything related to electric cars or learning integration of science and mathematics. I also had an opportunity to see wonderful arts created by students, and also the different kind of forts related to our history, whether it's for Rajgarh Fort or different forts in and around Maharashtra area. So I felt the whole ideology behind this process was truly amazing. Us giving student a freedom to come up, to create, to manufacture, to design, to innovate can actually contribute to real meaning of experiential learning solution. So the whole school has put up a great day, not only for students, for parents also. I could see those smiling faces around the corridor who was coming and asking students questions. I saw pre-primary students giving such a wonderful speech about Viksit Bharat, what is their understanding of cleanliness, education, good food, healthy food. It was truly amazing. One of the idea which actually got my attention, apart from all of this technology, which everybody should pay attention to, is a group of students talking about prebiotics. Prebiotics as in using dry yogurt and converting it into a very healthy smoothie or some kind of healthy snack, which is brilliant, which is amazing, because in today's fast-paced world when we are traveling so much, we need these kind of solutions.
Ma'am, from your experience in aerospace industry, how do you see the projects presented at Scientia contributing to innovation and future careers?
Right. Ma'am, it's a wonderful question, because me being from aerospace background, I never had an opportunity, forget about exploring this particular domain, and I had a 0% clarity what does this word actually means. Right? Everybody thinks aerospace is just about making planes and drones and everything. Right? Aerospace could be anything from manufacturing to designing, ideation, to even thinking about life on a planet called Mars. Right? So I saw so many projects today in all of these different aspects. Like students were talking about creating artificial gravity in a certain area in region, and then actually having a life outside the planet. So, and let me just point it out, these are not just the exhibition idea, this is happening in real life. Elon Musk is already doing it, many research center is already doing it, and in India it's going to happen very, very soon. So student who wants to actually go and explore these as a professional career options or degrees, them having these projects at school level and actually exploring them will help them to choose those specific and right kind of education degree when they actually go to the university. They will actually know, am I interested in research, am I interested in designing, am I interested in life outside the planet, or am I interested in just manufacturing process. So there's a division of everything. And aerospace is a very booming, very nice, wonderful career domain, and I feel what they presented today was top.